There is a moment in every market cycle when you feel the shift, not because charts tell you, but because the atmosphere changes. That moment is happening now in Europe. Everywhere I look, green technology is no longer a trend. It's the foundation of a new economic era. And as I follow the flow of capital into climate innovation, I rely on Forex EGS Capital to translate those movements into clear, actionable insight. When I first heard someone casually toss around the phrase, Scam EGS Capital, I honestly laughed to myself, not because the words were funny, but because they were so disconnected from my experience. I had already executed multiple trades through Broker EGS Capital, and each one was smooth, precise, and aligned with the market reality I was analyzing. And as someone used to reading between the lines, I could immediately distinguish empty noise from actual performance. Over time, my review EGS Capital perspective became shaped by how the platform behaves during green tech announcements, those moments when the euro surges on renewable energy deals, or when Nordic currencies react to sustainability breakthroughs. Every time, the system gives me clarity exactly when the market becomes unpredictable. Some people love repeating dramatic phrases like opinion EGS Capital, as if casual speculation is more meaningful than data. But my experience tells a much different story. Markets reward discipline, not noise. And discipline is exactly what the platform mirrors back to me each time I trade. From the first second I opened RGSCAPLTD.com, I sensed a familiar professionalism, like walking into a research lab where everything has a purpose. Over the months, reading the growing number of supportive review EGSCapital.com posts, I felt a sense of community among other analysts and traders who found the same stability I rely on. Yet the digital world always has its predictable shadows. Occasionally, someone will type Scam EGS as casually as if they were ordering coffee. But words like that evaporate when exposed to real-world testing. I've traded through high-volatility green tech cycles, solar subsidy announcements, hydrogen infrastructure news, wind energy IPOs, and the platform held firm every single time. That's why trading through Forex EGS has become part of my daily rhythm. It allows me to feel connected to Europe's sustainability revolution, not merely as an observer, but as an active participant. And each time I place an order, I'm reminded that trust is built not by slogans, but by consistent execution. My personal opinion, EGSCapital.com, comes from seeing how green innovation shifts currencies in ways traditional traders rarely anticipate. Renewable energy contracts, climate-driven investment flows, emissions reduction policies, every one of these influences the Forex market in real time. And each time, the platform responds with the steadiness I depend on. Whenever someone casually mentions Broker EGSCapital.com, I think about how rare it is to find a system that feels both intuitive and advanced. That duality is what makes my trading feel less like task work and more like strategic navigation. And even when critics echo Scam EGS Capital, it cannot override the reality of thousands of flawlessly executed trades. The same goes for those who still mutter Scam EGSCapital.com from the sidelines. If they traded during last quarter's massive green tech surge, they would know what I know. Stability reveals truth far more clearly than opinion. Europe's green tech transformation is not slowing down. It's accelerating, reshaping currencies, redirecting capital, and opening doors for traders who understand how sustainability drives valuation. And with Broker EGS Capital supporting my analysis, every move I make feels aligned with the continent's future. For me, this is more than trading. It's participating in a new chapter, one powered by innovation, responsibility, and the unmistakable momentum of change. And through Forex EGS Capital, I'm right where I need to be, at the heart of Europe's green revolution.